7 years ago, while standing on Times Square, New York, I had an idea. Such beautiful facades, and they're so littered with the typical LED boards of the time. There's got to be a smarter solution. And that was my vision and challenge, to integrate LED displays into the facade, and above all, to incorporate them into the glass panes of the facade. Only glass integrates transparent media facades into the building architecture for ultimate design creativity, media texture. At this stage, the LED stripes for the unique glass elevator at the Clubhaus St. Pauli in Hamburg are being prepared for testing. The first production steps include selecting and testing the LEDs to verify their reliability before integrating them into an insulating glass pane. The burn-in test helps to ensure error-free operation of the media facade. The models we use today have a service life of between 50,000 and 100,000 hours, or roughly 6 to 12 years. We use a so-called burn-in test to make sure they last this long. The burn-in test takes 48 hours. Faulty LEDs are sorted out before the LED stripes are prepared for installation. First, the printed circuit boards, the PCBs, are plugged together. The arrangement of the LEDs determines the number of pixels per pane, i.e. the image resolution, and depending on this, the transparency and translucency of the pane. What's special about this is certainly the high degree of transparency we offer, with over 80% and even up to 90% daylight flooding the rooms, depending on the pixel pitch. The giant sheets of glass are washed in a special machine and taken to the installation site. The prepared LED stripes are then enclosed between two sheets of glass to finally form the double-glazed unit. Depending on the desired resolution for each individual project, a different number of LEDs is required. At Only Glass, we say that the media facade needs at least 60,000 pixels to produce good quality videos and images. Of course, there are no limits upwards from there. We can integrate 1 or even 2 million pixels. Installing the panes in the media facade on the Clubhaus St. Pauli elevator in Hamburg. Each of these panes weighs about 600 kilograms. The electronics only add up to 25 kilograms of this.
On
the whole, we have 50 centimeters of space between the concrete wall and the scaffolding, so we need to be extremely accurate when positioning the glazing to ensure that the LED stripes line up precisely. Once the panes have been fitted, they just need to be connected to the pre-installed cabling to light up. Preparing for the opening of the Clubhaus with its new media facade. An expectant crowd awaits the opening. The owners, architects and urban screen staff who designed the creative concept for the facade are especially excited, hoping for a good response. The Clubhaus offers many surprises. Technologically, it's a prototype. Every corner of this facade is a new development. And as with any prototype, putting all of this together in the final product is also a major challenge for the service provider.
Der Countdown läuft. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, läuft. Yeah, wow.
Amazing, simply amazing. I'm at a loss for words. Everyone's cheering, everyone's thrilled. Honestly, I'm quite beside myself. I think it's pretty cool. I just found out it's the only one of its kind in the world. I think that's really cool.
Das Thema Mediatektur.
Mediatecture really comes to life here, and I think it will be a major trend in the future to resolve shapes in an intelligent way, to resolve facades and move away from rigid forms. And that's exactly what this example here shows.
Das Beispiel hier zeigt.
What impact does the media facade of the clubhouse have in the Hamburg city district? What has been the experience so far? On the one hand, this facade displays art and advertising.
Auf der anderen Seite bietet es
On the other hand, it also offers totally new ways of engaging in a dialogue in an urban setting between the public and those who have messages to convey and expect reactions from the public.
Reaktionen von den Bürgern erwarten.
Wir haben schon mit Twitter gearbeitet, das heißt, die Leute konnten
We worked with Twitter and gave people a platform to express their opinion about the facade, for or against, or say something about their lives or whatever, under the hashtag Clubhouse. There was also the Pro-Olympia campaign, where people were able to post on the facade, which in turn went viral on social networks. I think there will be many new examples of this in the future through collaboration with media universities such as Macromedia, and we'll have to see what comes next. We're definitely very curious.
alles kommt. Wir sind zumindest sehr neugierig.
Only Glass developed a truly paradigmatic system and gained important insights for future projects with the realization of this unique and outstanding reference object, Clubhouse St. Pauli.
In der Tat ist Only Glass sicherlich an der Spitze.
In fact, Only Glass is the true pioneer in mediatecture technology worldwide.
Weltweit.